If you find yourself awakening, here's what it really means. The moment people awaken is when they finally refuse to compromise on the truth of who they are. They stop agreeing to situations, relationships, and beliefs that feel like betrayals of their soul. Awakening isn't about learning something new. It's about remembering the essence of who you've always been, and deciding, once and for all, to honor that. It often happens after years of tolerating what you shouldn't. Of saying yes, when every fiber of your being wanted to say no. You might not notice it at first. The quiet, persistent feeling that something isn't right. But over time, it grows louder, until you can no longer ignore the dissonance between what you're living and what your soul is yearning for. This awakening isn't easy. It requires courage. Because the moment you stop agreeing to things that insult your soul, the world you've built around those agreements begins to crumble. You might lose relationships that were never truly aligned with you. But what you gain is freedom. Freedom to be yourself. Freedom to create a life that feels right, not just looks right to others. Awakening isn't a single moment. It's a series of choices. It's choosing yourself over the expectations of others. It's saying, I deserve better. Even when the path forward feels uncertain. It's understanding that your soul, the deepest, most sacred part of you, cannot be sacrificed for the sake of comfort, convenience, or conformity. And here's the most beautiful part. Once you stop agreeing to what insults your soul, you begin to attract what nourishes it. The people, experiences, and opportunities that resonate with your true self start to find their way into your life. You don't have to fight for them or chase them. They align with you naturally, because you've cleared the space for them by letting go of what no longer serves you. Remember, awakening isn't a destination. It's a journey of constant alignment. Of continuously choosing what feels true over what feels easy. It's a lifelong practice of listening to your inner voice and having the courage to follow it. Even when it leads you into the unknown. So, if you find yourself awakening, if you feel that pull to stop agreeing to things that insult your soul, trust it. Trust yourself. You're not losing anything that was meant for you. You're simply shedding the layers of what no longer belongs, so that your true self can finally shine. It is hoped that you found this video to be illuminating and helpful. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more positive vibes. Thanks for watching and listening.